Welcome back. I'm Mahalakshmi and you are with tnews. Tnews is the technology network bringing you the top stories that are sure with no bias. The details of our news. Blood donation camp. A mega blood donation camp was conducted by Aditya Educational Institutions on 28 March 2022 in association with Red Cross Society in the campus at different venues. The software registration facility and the crucial dynamic status of the blood donors have been arranged by the development team of Technical Hub and played a vital role in the process. A large number of staff members and the student fraternity had come forward and donated their blood. Skill Up Evening. Technical Hub started its awaiting special evening training classes that is scheduled from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Key skills like Python, AWS Cloud, web technology are taught by professional trainers from Technical Hub. Technical Hub is also providing global certifications to the trainees. Students from all the campuses and branches are ready on their feet to make the best use of these Skill Up evenings. First Jump. First Jump evening has started by Technical Hub to upscale students on their numerical, logical and verbal abilities. First Jump event trains students with 500 plus questions from 50 plus companies over 25 plus topics. Technical Hub is guiding students on every difficulty. Students are upgrading themselves with not only technical skills but also in logical abilities with the help of Technical Hub. Technical Hub always gives students in climbing the Everest of knowledge. Signing off from today. Stay tuned and stay updated.